A queen is royal, sophisticated, and holds herself with grace and class.
Excuse me.
Karanga mai ki a Maihi, rātou ko Ramon, ko Jay. He takatāpui e rata ana ki te ngahau, ne te whakarata-rata. He kiri whanaunga, I take a mai I tua whenua.
Before our sexuality, we're Māori and we come from Panguru.
I tupu mai a Maihi ki Panguru nei, nā reira tau, pai ana ia ki kora. Mō wāna whanaunga rānei, kua tere poko noa tua Ramon rawa ko Jay, kua taha atu ngā reke roa mō ngā kamuputu. A ngā whakatekai ngāna.
I can see Panguru!
Te whakahono,
But you come from good stock, girl.
Don't I know it?
he ngahau,
Shall we party now? Yeah!
ke tuku raurau hoki ngā kaupapa. Ka ora tonu rātau I te korenga o te Facebook, Grindr, Flat White rānei, kia hiwa ki ngā kuini o Panguru. Ko te rā whakamutunga tēnei ki Panguru, ko puku mahi hoki ngā kuini. Kua ita nei te hono o te taukāia ki te papakainga, te whānau, kia rātou anō hoki.
I didn't know that.
Heoi, kei te rere tonu ngā mahi, ko te cabaret ki te pāpara kauta. Kua whakapau kaha rātau ki te tuku atu I te pānui ki tata, ki tawhiti hoki. Nā, koe nei te wā. Tuatahi, ka pātoro atu rātau ki mitimiti, e rua ngahuru miniti te tawhiti. Pā te kau tamariki te nui o te kura o mā tihe tihe. Au atu te iti o ngā akonga, he miharo ke te momo rangatira e tupu nei. He pānga whakapapa te nuinga o rātau ki ngā kuini, nā reira he whakahirahira tēnei whakaekenga a ngā kuini.
Kia ora! Kia ora! Look at that! Yeah!
He kaha no Maihi ki te hoki hoki mai ki te kainga. Nā reira kua waianga tamariki nei ki te kite ito rātou matua keke. Heoi, he tuatahitanga tēnei mā te tokorua.
Yeah! Yeah!
Hara maira, ngā manuhiri tua rangi e, hara mai runga I te kaupapa tera. I te kaupapa I te koko, I te waka, kumeromo, I te waka, taurungo, te waka, I te moenga.
Kāore ngā kuini nei mo te noho puku, he pirike atu ki ngā mahi. Kei te wānanga tahi ngā kuini me ngā tamariki. Kei te tito waiata a Ramon, rātou ko ngā kōtiro. E tā whetawheta ana ngā tama I te tokorua nei. Kei te anini te manawa o Maihi I te kaha o ngā mahi au e tama.
Ko ako ngā tamariki a mātou I tētahi haka, mai te iwi, mai te rarawa. So, it's hard work. Wera, ne? Wera.
Kia tanumia rawatia ngā pakeke ka tau mā takitahi rātai.
It's like, shimmer like a deep blue ocean, ocean.
The hands, what do the hands
He kā koa ngā mahi a ngā tama. Nā, kei te tā te mana wahine o whina ki runga ki ngā kōtiro nei.
You are rich, rich with pride. You are like no other. You are perfectly fine, just the way that you are. Yeah. I really wanted to encourage the girls that it doesn't matter who you are, or how different you may be. You're still, we're all human.
A tēnā koe Oprah. Kua roa nei a Jay e whakatū wānanga kanikani ana mō ngā tamariki e hia tini tau. Nā ko nā pupu ake ai te aroha o ngā tamariki ki aia.
Words cannot put on what I've experienced today. It's actually quite funny because I wasn't raised on a kohanga. Or, you know, it wasn't in kohanga, it wasn't in kura kaupapa. It's nice that I can come up here and be welcomed in the same way I would do if they were to come to Auckland. I give back, but yet they teach me a lot about what they know here in Mitimiti.
Ka tū ngā pihi matapikoa te tokorua nei ki te tukituki i a Jay Mahi. Nā wai ka pau anō te haua maihi. Ka whara ana te waiwai a tētihi, ka poipoi a e anku maihi.
I was quite emotional this morning. Just seeing all of these tamariki here are all our iramutu, so my nephews and nieces, I'd do anything for them.
Ko te kaupapa nui o tēnei hiko i a ngā kuini, ko te raurau koha atu ki te hapori. Nā, nei rā wetihi taonga mā te kura nei.
Tiro ki e nei mea.
He miharo ngā tamariki katoa ki ngā kuini, engari I putarawa ngā ihu a wetihi.
Today we wrote a song, right? We wrote a song and you structured your wife beautifully.
I think I'm singer-songwriter.
Kua marama ngā kuini kua pā te aroha ki a rātau. Aha kua te huarahi rereke e takahi ana I rātau.
To be embraced the way I did, I can't ask for anything more. That's what I come back with.
I feel like I'm connected more so now than I have ever been. And that is simply because not only the shared experience with my cousins, but also the fact that we got to go a little bit deeper. This is heart stuff, you know, it's the stuff you can't buy or manufacture.
I want to get a photo. Jay! Yeah, we'll take a photo. We'll get a big photo. You better. Where's your bag? Oh my God.
Just watching the kids' faces light up, nothing like it. It's a dream. It's perfect. You did so good today. You know that, eh?
Ko te mea nui kia hau, kia mātou ko Jay, me Ramon. Ki te hoatu ngā pukinga me e rātu āhuatanga pāna ki te mātauranga. Ki nā atu mea, ki te hoatu ki o koutou tamariki o te kāinga. Nā te mea, ko rātou ngā rangatira moa pōpō, ko rātou. Oku I rā mutu.
Tei, rua, toru, whā, whukana!
E whai ake nei, ka puka atu ngā kuini ki wa rātau pāpara. Ā, ka pōrewa rātau ki ngā kōrero.
Our upbringing was a man's world, eh?
E hia haora noi ho kātū te cabaret. Ka haria a Ramon rawa ko Jay ki te tūtaki ki wetehi o te whānau, e Maihi.
Ka pai.
Sweet.
Oh my God, twins. We've both got the same hat on.
Hey, you got your twin in it.
E pirangi ana ngā kuini ki te poka atu ki te katoa. Matua rā ia te whānau kei tua whakarere ngā whakaro.
Look at these cowboys.
He kaupoi tūturu a matua Ben rawa ko matua Chaz I tupu mai rāua ki Panguru nei.
Enjoy yourself last night.
It's up that way.
Ā, he kōrero pono, kai kiri o rāua hei whāriki atu ki ngā kuini.
Nice day, Unc. Nice day. Hey, Cousins, what's going to happen now is we haere na mata ki te whakatau. He hiana o ku mata ki te whakatau mātou I te whenua nei.
Ai.
Ara ko wairia. Nō reira.
Oh,
croaky,
croaky. Hey, get him.
Croaky. So, that's what we're going to do. Uncle, can we get our van up there? Do you think? No.
No, we won't get there.
Might get there. Might go one way, might come the back the other, Uncle?
That's right.
Play. So should we jump on your truck?
Yes.
Play.
Ai, pai.
Okay, tēnei, eh? Oh, yeah.
Right up top. The whole point for us returning home was reconnecting with the land and reconnecting with our whānau and the community and getting to an insight into the many levels and layers that I'd never experienced before.
Kaimahi, o kaimahi ka mini ati kia koutou. Nau mai, haere mai. Haere mai. Ka ki te koutou ini ngā maunga hiro o tēni o tātou nei kāinga.
I was apprehensive because at first we thought they were going to tell us off or, point out some stuff like, you guys are so queer and different and it's a problem. And I only thought that for a second. But, in my heart I was going, oh.
Maihi is also my nephew, through whakapapa. You guys are my nephews through whakapapa. Your great-grandfather and my great-grandmother, brother and sister. And that's how we connect to one another. And, like I say, it's, Maihi, it was a bit of a shock to us for you to ask us to be here today because, but to have you fellas come home and look for, this is what more young people need to do, come home and connect with their whenua. A lot of our people today don't come back, and by the time they come back, all the old people are gone and they miss out on a lot that where they come from. So, it's like me and Uncle Chas was saying, it's an honour to be here today amongst our family. Regardless of gender, we are still family.
A little bit hard because our upbringing was a man's world, ne? Te mea nui te ao. He tangata. What is the greatest thing of all? It is people. So, if we get that look like we're a little bit, how can I say, biased to what you guys stand for and what you're our family. And we're not God, who are we to judge? So, this is why I'm here to offer this bugger. That's the way I talk, this bugger, that's how I'm meant to.
It brought tears to my eyes. It also brought something too, where I couldn't speak. I had lost my voice by then, and I really wanted to talk, but it must have been something he tohu tēnā. Yeah, that was Wairua speaking.
Yeah, we're proud. Ben and I talked this morning. If you three were soldiers, you'll get a medal for bravery. In our world, hey, you come out in the open and say, hey, I'm gay, I'm whatever. Yeah, I reckon that's a brave thing.
They likened us to like some medal. But I was like, actually, you guys are the brave ones because you guys have had to make such a massive transition spiritually and mentally. And to kind of hear that and understand what that looks like and where they've come from and now being so accepting and open to us, that is beautiful.
I've got grandchildren growing up. What do I do if one comes home and says to me, Papa, I'm gay, or Papa, I want to do this? What do I do? Do I hate him? No, we don't, because he's mine. He belongs to me.
Oh, it was mind-blowing. It was really, really overwhelming just to have my two butch-ass cowboy uncles stand underneath our maunga tauwhare and mihi to us. Mihi to the three of us.
And yeah, that's what opened my eyes was, who are we to judge? Hey? And at the end of the day, you're still my family, so, do I disown you? And to me, that's what's happening with a lot of our young Māori that want to come out. They're scared to come out and tell us
Right.
because they'll be disowned. And you know, and the thing is, if you look at it, a lot of our suicides amongst our young is that because they're frightened to tell whānau.
Exactly, that's the one, Uncle.
You know, because they feel they'll be rejected. So.
Nā te reko o ngā kōrero nei ki a Jay, ka ui a tāna ake pātai.
Uncle, what was my papa like? Matane. And how would he have taken on, you know, me being gay?
In answering that question, yeah, I can't speak for your Krani because he's passed away, but what I know of him, I think he would have accepted it just like Ben and I, you know?
I think he will be proud. And the fact that I came home without anyone, you know? And I think that was my struggle. I'm the one here and I stand on our whenua and I can treasure that for me and for my memory and for my knowledge.
Wai aha kua tā rātou takata puetanga, he tangata rātou, he tangata rātou. Nō reira, ai, koina taku whakaaro, koina taku kōrero ki te iwi, ki te hapu o uitahi atu rohe.
E whai ake nei, ka karawhiua te pāpara kauta e ngā kuini. Ka whakakia te pāpara kauta o Panguru ki te harikoa. Kua whakapau kaha ngā kuini ki te tuku atu I te karanga mo te pō whakangahau nei, hei kohi pūtea mo te mate pukupuku o te u. Kua kuhuna ngā kākahu papai o te kāpata, ngā rama hoki. Hei tautoko atu I ngā kuini. Kua puta mai anō ki te poaka I arumi ai ngā kuini.
Haven't even done a show yet, broke an ankle.
Oh my God, this place the pub looks packed.
It's packed. It's like, this is what it looks like at New Year's.
Holy
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ka aua atu ngā mānuka a ngā kuini I te pōhiri o te haukainga.
You ready for a show? Is everyone ready for a show?
Put your hands together for our fearless leader.
Ko Mika te kai hautu o te hōtaka nei. Nāna te whakaaro nui kia hoki atu ngā kuini ki Panguru. Nā, he pirangi nōna ki te kite I te ngahau a ngā kuini. Nā ko nā ia, ka taima.
Yeah, sorry, it's a bit gender fluid, but I love it.
I learnt most about myself on this trip that I'm not ashamed of where I come from. I'm not ashamed of the person I am.
You look beautiful, nice colour. Amazing. All the glitter. Glitter in life. The most important thing that I've learned on this whole entire journey is that I belong.
Ko taku kōrero atu ki ētahi atu.
You look so beautiful.
Hapu ētahi atu iwi, ki te aroha atu, ki te awhina atu, ki te tiakitanga atu, ki o koutou takatāpui. Nā te mea, kei a rātou he mana, kei a rātou he tapu, kei a rātou te mana o te whenua.
Ka tae mai hoki aku chairs ki te tautaka. Kāore he paku noa te tū drag a Maihi. He pirangi kē no ona whanaunga ki te rongo I ngā kōrero mo te arupuaka.
One crying, one shaking with the shape. Like this, and the other one's crying, spewing.
He rangatira ngā Maihi a Jay ki te taha o ngā rangatahi. Nā ko nā ngā kōrero whakahihi a te whānau.
Ia tiki tō kaupapa mahi.
Ai.
He mahi rangatira. He tāwi mahi ai.
Ai.
Ko tō āhua. Tio atu, engari, tō mahi e oranga mo te whāna. Mo te iwi. E me pai te. Kapai.
Kia ora.
Kapai.
Nei.
Mahi e te mai.
Ai. Ai. Kia ora, thank you. Thank you. This trip home has changed me because 3 city successes, but yet we have our groundings back home. And that's pretty much the best thing ever, you know? You can go home now. You can go home, you've got a place, you've got a place to sleep, you've got a, whānau that will look after you, you've got a whānau that can look after themselves. And they're all up there.
Ka tere tini kākahu, kua rite ki te rite hā.
She is about to come out and do a little show for you. So on K Road, she's known as Dinah Thirst, but you all know her as Maihi, and here she is to perform for you. Are you ready? Are we ready?
Tuatahi mai ko Maihi no tua whenua. He mauri tangata whenua no nā ki roto I ngā pāpara kauta mo te drag, ka tū rangatira hoki ki te kāinga.
Are you ready to see Jay Tewake? Yeah!
More Ramon, Tewake!
Ka toko ake te whakaaro ki roto I a Ramon, kia waiata hia te waiata I titoa e ia mo te kāinga.
We did a songwriting session together, and I played them the song and they loved it. It's called It's Only Human, and I just want to share it with you. Hope you like it too. You are perfectly fine, just the way that you are. Yeah. There is no one else like you. You are like no other. Be yourself, just be true. You are like no other. You are perfectly fine, just the way that you are. Oh, yes. It's so good to be home and to perform in front of our whanaunga. There's nothing quite like it. And they've been really, really receptive to see all the beautiful faces. It feels like all the work that we did this week to promote tonight's fundraiser here at the Panguru pub is paid off. One of the reasons why we were doing this tonight and this whole adventure is to raise awareness and funds for breast cancer.
Oh, stunning. Go ahead, cousin. So we're donating $500 towards breast cancer. Beautiful. Aha koe e tihe paunamui. Nō reira, ngā mihi kawana kia kouta katoa. We've got to $500. We could always add some more, if we want to. But hey, awesome. Thank you so much, whānau.
Atu I te drag, ko Maihi te kuini mo te kapahaka. Māori nei tōna tū ki te taha o te whānau hoki.
Oh man, he pō tino a tāhua tēnei. Ko tai mai o mātai whānau katoa. Tino kiki hoki te pāpara kouta nei, pērā I ngā New Year's me ngā Christmas, te wā krihi me te. Nō reira, yeah, what a stunning night, awesome night.
I tell you, the people in Panguru, my community, my people, are so beautiful. They're so humble. They're so full of heart, and they were welcoming, and they were happy to tautoko us on our journey. They were happy to walk alongside of us. They were happy to hang out with us, and to be able to go back home and perform, which is kind of what we do together, which is nothing, but which is what we know how to do, and to give back a little and to raise a little bit of putia for the community meant nothing in comparison to what we actually got from everybody else. Oh my God. Oh my God, Shaun. Pull over.
This trip has brought us so much closer together.
It's yours?
We love each other so much more now.
It's so yours.
Come.
What's it doing on the road?
I wasn't out here last night.
Well, who's it belong to?
That's mine, cousin.
We always knew it.
That'll be right.
Oh, shut up.
Nā te mea mōhiona mātou katoa, mōhiona mātou, ko wai mātou, ia mātou, tā mātou hononga a toto, tā mātou hononga a hoama, tā mātou hononga a koazi.
Panguru means to me now, it's my home.
Ka kite Panguru!
Love you, family.
It doesn't matter where I am, doesn't matter where I am going, it is my home.
Kai pāho.